Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie and here we learn how to keep it simply slayed. Before we jump into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But today we are getting into BOXYCHARM. Now, hear me out. If you've been here, subscribed to my channel for a while, you would know that I was already subscribed to the regular BOXYCHARM box in the past, in which I canceled that subscription. However, I heard that BOXYCHARM was having a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills for their July premium box, and y'all know I love Anastasia, so it was a no-brainer. $35 and I get 6 full-size ABH products, so no matter what's in this box, I mean my money back. I definitely had to do that. Now, how this box, which was the regular box, happened, this was an accident. I don't know how I ended up with this box. I called myself just doing the premium membership, but I guess I ended up doing both. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and kind of compare and contrast the two subscriptions. So this one is $25 a month and you get, I believe, 5 full-size products, and this one is $35 a month and you get 6 full-size, apparently premium products. So we're going to see what's in these boxes. And by the way, this is the June box. It's July. I just got it and I got the June box. I don't know, it was an accident. We just gonna move on from there. Okay, so we're gonna just go ahead and get into this one first, see what's in here and see what's like. I can promise you I won't be going back to the regular one. If you like to see videos on my past boxes and why I canceled, you can go ahead and watch that. So this is what this card looks like for June. Alright, so first thing we got is some lashes. These are the, it says Flirtatious Looks Cosmetic Lashes. Okay, so it has like 2 lashes and it also has like the tweezer thing to put them on. So far so good. Can't go wrong with lashes. And then we have, what is this? It says True Luscious infused with hyaluronic acid, flower dose plumping lip and eye serum. So some type of skincare products. I don't know, when I hold up white products you can't really see it. This is, oh by the way, the lashes were worth $38. So boom, I already made my money back from this box. But I really never even heard of these brands. So that's the good thing with BOXYCHARM. You never know, like it might put you on to some brands you never know about. And then they also sometimes just be giving you some rinky-dink stuff. So this is what the serum, oh, this looks, I don't know. But this is $34. It says a supercharged treatment serum and primer for lips and eyes designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup. Okay, so we're gonna see what this is about. I don't know if it's going under my eyes right away, but I'll try it on my lips. My eyes are very sensitive. Alright, then we have some face masks. So we have 2 face masks from Vitamin Seek Sustainables. Okay, I don't know, are these a part? Yes. These are $18. I don't know if they're individually $18 or together $18. It just says $18. So it says experience the world's first ever range of biodegradable masks and packaging, allowing one-time use of items to be more sustainable and eco-friendly. Nourish is a natural probiotic and sheet mask made with multi-peptides, whatever that is. Okay, they got a bunch of products in it. It's a sheet mask, okay? It says one is, I guess, for glow. And I don't know, to nourish, but they're sheet masks, okay? Never heard of this brand again, but it is what it is. Some type of palette. This is pretty cute. It says give them la la beauty. Guessing it's an eyeshadow palette. I always used to get a palette in there. Okay, is it eyeshadow or is it, okay, so this is what the palette is looking like. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like a face palette or eyeshadow, so let's see. Give them beauty la la, the grown woman palette. I'm grown. I'm a grown woman. Alright. This palette is worth $42. $42. I never even heard of the brand, but okay. Say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset colored mattes and foil shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelids for long lasting blah 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 blah. Okay, so apparently it's an eyeshadow palette, but I do feel like some of these colors could probably use as a blush. Like I could definitely probably use Cabo Kisses as a blush or Boss Lady as a blush. So these are some pretty big eyeshadows. That's why I didn't know, because usually eyeshadows are not this big, but we'll see. It's a nice little color scheme up my alley. Pinks, reds, purples, glitters, golds. Up my alley. Ooh, we got some from Glam Glow. A super cleanse. Okay, so we have a cleanser from Glam Glow. I like to take the things out the box so you guys can see what it looks like. And this is worth $32. It is an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging, debris, excess oil, and face makeup. I will definitely be using this, okay? I've used Glam Glow in the past. You guys probably know of Glam Glow, heard of Glam Glow. They're good, but they're expensive, okay? So I will be using this. And I have another, what is this, palette? Another eyeshadow palette. So 2 eyeshadow palettes and one, they must have been trying to get rid of stuff. Because you know, normally you won't get no 2 eyeshadow palettes in one box. Alright, so this is from Hit Dot. Ooh, it's actually pretty. Got like some blues. I think I like it because I usually don't. My palettes are not really bluey. As I just mentioned, they're usually pinky, pinkish, goldish. So this is kind of cute. Okay, so this is, was this a mistake? Because I don't see it on here. Oh, I think they made a mistake. This is an extra product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, that's 5 products already that we went through. So this is an extra. Okay, they made a mistake, but thank you. Appreciate it. It's Hit Dot. I don't know how much it is because it's not on the form, because it's, you know, it was an extra, but it's cute. Thank you, BOXYCHARM, for the extra product, even though, you know, it probably was because you was just trying to get rid of stuff. This is again from the June BOXYCHARM regular subscription. So yes, 5 products, $25 for the regular subscription. Now let's go ahead and compare that to what is inside this premium box, which I already know is gonna be better. Even though this, honestly, out of all the boxes I've had in the past, I will probably insert a video here. You can check out some of the other boxes I've had in the past. This probably was the best box. This probably was the best box. I got 2 sets of lashes, 2 eyeshadow palettes, a actual cleanser that I will use, and some face masks. I'm not really too bougie or specific with the face masks I use, so I can use these, and some type of eye serum and lip treatment. So not too bad for this month. But let's go ahead and get into this premium box. Now I do have pretty much, I don't say all of the products that Anastasia has ever made, but I have most of their brow products. I have this setting powder, which if you watched my last video where I was organizing my makeup, I told you guys that I did not really care for their setting powder. So hopefully it's not one in there, but if it is, we're gonna have to make it work, because it is what it is. Like, it's not the worst powder, don't get me wrong. It's not the worst powder in the world. It's just not my go-to. I don't tend to grab for it that frequently. This is the premium box, $35, and this is a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And all boxes came with a eyeshadow palette, one of the Nervina Pro palette. I have the orange one already, so I'm hoping this one has the purple one, so that I won't end up with duplicate palettes. But if it does, then I guess I could be nice and give it to one of my friends or something. I don't know, or add it, put it to the side for a future giveaway or something. Who knows, but let's see. Let me show you guys first. Alright, here we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is so cute. Alright, let's see what's inside. Norina. So this is the card. This is so cute. It also has a discount code on it. Buy one, get one 50% off at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. I'll add that to the description box below if you want to use that. Does it expire? Offer ends August 8th. So you got a couple of days or weeks to get it. Okay, so I honestly, I don't even need the card. I don't need to read this to y'all because I already know what these products are. Boom. First thing we got is the Dewy Sets. If you're not new here, you know that I already have this and I love it. I'm actually running low and I needed a new one, so thank you, BOXYCHARM. These run for, let's see, $26. $26, so boom. Add that to my collection. Next we have the hydrating oil. Yeah, it's the hydrating oil. I don't know, what is this used for? Let's see. Hydrating oil by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight blend of Mediterranean botanical extract that deliver antioxidants and nourishing hydration to the skin. This complexion boosting facial oil leaves you with glowing, radiant skin, softened fine lines, and improved tone and texture. So that's like kind of like a serum. And this is $45, by the way. I won't say I would have picked this up in the store, but we could try it out. Let's just say that. Okay, and then for item number 3, we have the loose highlighting, which I do not have any of their loose highlighters. This is in the color Peach Fizz. A loose highlighter. Alright, so this is the highlighter. I guess I could open it up. No, I gotta take the stick off and all. I was gonna try to show y'all, but yeah, it's like a pinkish color. It's pretty. I like the packaging, of course. It's pink and it's sparkly. Up my alley. Alright, this is $25 in store, loose highlighter. I don't need to go much in detail. So a highlighter, okay? It's just loose instead of pressed. We have this duo shadow brush, so some type of just eyeshadow brush. I don't know, was this a part of the, yes, $16. It's a duo, so you have 2 sides to it. Nothing too special. And we, yes, I needed this. Okay, I needed this. This is the clear brow gel. Thank you for not giving me a tinted one and it being the wrong color. So, one of my favorite brow gels. And again, I needed a new one, so that's that. A little disappointed. I didn't get any real, like, I didn't get like a brow pencil, but whatever. I'm so far so good. I needed a new setting spray. I needed a new brow gel. So far so good. And for the final, we have the eyeshadow palette, which,
let's pray it's the purple one. Let's pray it's the purple one, not the orange one.
Okay, I already have the orange one. Let's see. I'm gonna let y'all see first. So y'all tell me which one it is. Am I gonna be happy or am I gonna be a little bit disappointed? I'm gonna. Which one is it? Oh. Ah, I thought it was showing. Okay. Let's try this again. Let y'all see first. Alright guys, which one is it? Which one is it? Okay, let's see. Yes! It's the purple one. I'm pressed. Okay. Oh yeah. This was the box, okay? If there was any other time to join BOXYCHARM's premium, it was in the month of July. And it's not too late. It is not too late. You can still go ahead and join BOXYCHARM. I am not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form, but honestly, I think for $35, this box is definitely worth it. This is the Nervina Pro Pigment Palette number 1. It is $60, as I mentioned before. $60. So this box altogether I paid $35 for, so this was definitely worth it for me. Let me show you how big and vibrant these colors are. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Alright. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god. So pretty. Like purples, blues. You got your black. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Guys, definitely go ahead and get the July. Even if you just get the July box and then cancel again, because you can cancel at any time. I'm not going to cancel again because I want to see kind of what the premium boxes are about. But I definitely think that if you're going to join BOXYCHARM at any time, it is now. By the way, this look that I have here today was brought to you by the Nervina palette. This is the palette number 3. So I made this look. Let me show you guys the difference between the two palettes. So this one is more like, I guess, brighter oranges, yellowy colors. And that one's more like bluey, cool colors. These ones are more warm. But now I have both, so there's that. Stay tuned for another video because I will be doing I think I'm gonna, at this point, do a full face of Anastasia because I think I have all the products I need. I did use the Anastasia foundation today. The eyeshadow base I've used today. I actually used the setting powder today. So far, so good. But yes, I just wanted to hop on here, show y'all this. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Again, I will be dropping a video doing all ABH and using pretty much all these products and all the other ABH products that I have already in my collection. If you are not subscribed to this channel already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And let me know below how you feel about BOXYCHARM and their subscription. If you have been subscribed, if you are subscribed, if you're going to subscribe. Again, if you're going to do it, go ahead and do it in the month of July to the premium box because, I mean, why not? Why not? Okay. Also, I'm going to link the code in the description box below for you to join and get your 50% off. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So, have at it. Okay. And until next time, remember, keep it simply slayed.